Welcome to the Mechanic Desk help videos. In this video, we will be going over how to use the timesheet feature. Once you have logged into Mechanic Desk, click on the Timesheets tab. You will be presented with a list of jobs over this fortnight with a summary of the total hours spent, charged, total charged, and the total effective hours. The filters on the left of the screen can be changed to a number of different options. The job filter will show the amount of hours spent by each employee grouped by job number, whereas the date filter will show how many hours the employees have worked on jobs for each day. Note that if you change any of the filters, you must hit search to present the changes. You can also narrow down which employee you want to see in the employee section here. By default, all employees will be selected. For example, if we want to see all jobs done by Simon this week, we must select Simon as the employee, change the filter to this week, and then hit search. We are then presented with a list of jobs that they have worked on, the number of hours they have worked on each, the charged amount, and their effective hours. There is also the option to add a line in the timesheet. Simply click the New Item button and a new window will appear, allowing you to add another timesheet entry for an existing job. Once you have edited the details, don't forget to click Save. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Mechanic Desk support team.